I want to show you how to get your statements out of PayPal. I'm recording this video February 2025. I've logged into my work PayPal account. I'm going to go to Activity at the top of my screen, and then I'm going to go to All Reports. There are different tabs across the top of my screen. I need to click on the Payments tab, and then I want to go to the Statements report. I like the statement report because I want to see a statement of what I've done. I want a beginning balance, I want an ending balance, and I want detailed transactions. So let's take a look at my January statement. This is the PDF that opened. There's not a whole lot that's happened in my account, but the point is less about my stuff and more about making sure you can get to your statement. So my beginning balance, my ending balance. If I scroll down, I see a summary. And I'm like, the summary is helpful, but it's not really what I want. I have, again, more information, but not what I want. What I really want when I'm reviewing my statement, when I'm making sure that all my charges and withdrawals are valid, and when I'm reconciling it against my QuickBooks, is the line-by-line summary. So I can see very clearly I had $3.99 in, $20 in fees, and the resulting number that went into my account is $378. If I go back to the beginning, that's the only transaction. So my beginning balance was $0. I added $378. That's my ending balance. Just a quick note, I know this is about the statement, but I want to remind you, when you're recording stuff into your QuickBooks or whatever accounting software you're using, in this case, I received $3.99 in income and I paid $20 in fees. Depending on where you're at, you need to record all of your income and all of your fees, not just the amount of money that goes into your bank. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to make sure you know how to get to your statements. Thanks.